Hi parents, I am here to show you how to use Spelling City to help your child study spelling words at home. Please type in spellingcity.com up there in your address window of your browser. We'll pull up a page that looks similar to this. In order to find spelling lists under my name, it's easiest to go down to schools under the search button. Type in our zip code and search. Move down till you find Holy Family Elementary. Click on my name, Stephanie Hagans. And these are going to be the list of vocabulary or spelling words that are available to study at this time. I try to only have one up at a time so that you know which list you are studying, but the kids also have the hard copy with them in their folders or somewhere in their folders. So once you are to this point, they can click on that list and practice their spelling words in game form or as a test itself. Hope this helps. Thanks.